Hello from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Skoda Superb here on a 2013 plate. Just doing a rear taillight bulb on this, but before I do that I'll show you the warning light. As you can see on the dash right there, speed on the left hand side, the bulb, that's not working. I mean, it's telling us there's a bulb out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the car off, put the side lights on. Now on this one, as you can see here, so you've got all the bulbs working, 1, 2 and 3. And on the other side, you've only got the 1, 2, and then this one's out. To do it, it's quite a simple procedure. So you need a T20 Torx, which is right here. I've got it in my hand, and a 501 capless bulb. That's all you need. Or I do undo these screws right here. Make sure whatever you do, do not drop these screws in. If you're working on the roadside, make sure you're not working by the drains, because if you do drop these, then you're gonna have to get new ones. So get this one out. Usually I would have a magnet or something, you know, so you can take the bulb out. So make sure don't drop it. That's out. And now gently pull this towards me. So you've got a little lug right here with slots in there, and then that's the bulb we need to replace, which is the bottom one here. But before I do it, I'm going to switch the lights off. I've got the 501 bulb already, so I'm going to take the bulb out. Like I said, it is a capless bulb, so they're quite easy to replace. You twist that to your left, pull the whole thing out, and then remove the bulb, get the new one. There's only one way the bulb would go. Slot it in, and then you've got these two little marks here. That's the lug locator. So you put that in, slot it back together, and then on the inside here, you've got to slot this bit in first. Once you slot that in, and that's it, that's done. So I'm just going to check the lights now. Switch the lights on. As you can see right there, they're all working. And if I show you on the dashboard now as well, the warning light, it's gone. That's all you got to do on this particular model. This is the Superb, so it's the bigger version, bigger than the Skodas. And you can check the playlist out for Skoda as well. And if you do want to leave a comment and want to know anything else, do let us know. We'll try helping you out. But if you want to replace a brake light, the indicator, everything is in that area, so it's quite easy to replace. All you're going to need is the right bulbs. Thank you very much. Goodbye.